Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video it's about how to make your Fire Stick a little faster. We're gonna download an application so you know what application are running in the background of the Fire Stick. First thing you have to do is go to the search bar and download an application called Background Apps and Processing List, which is the third one down right there. Okay, go ahead and download that, install it, just click OK again. Downloads free, and this is completely free from the Amazon store. And this will help your Fire Stick run a little faster if you close the application that are still on in the background. Alright, so it's ready to open. Go ahead and open it. Give it a couple seconds, load up. Okay, so now you guys see I have all this application running right now, which it slows the Fire Stick overall. So you always want to close all the applications so the Fire Stick it's concentrating on one application, not all of them. To way to close them, it just go on the top left, says closed application. You click that and it's going to bring you to this, and you go to force stop and it's going to close the application down. And you press OK. Okay, then you go back with the back button. You go back again. You press the back button again. Go back. It seems like it's not doing anything, but it's actually stopping the applications. And you just keep pressing the back button to go to the next application. Okay. See? Now you have this application still running. So you just keep going, go back to the closed applications, press that. You keep pressing stop force, back, same thing, back. Go back. Keep pressing back. Okay, now you got two left. You go to close application again. Press, go back again with the remote. Go back, and now there is no other applications open. You can just go home and just start any application, and that will be the only application actually running. So if you want to watch a movie or anything, it's better off when all the applications are closed down. Alright, talk to you guys soon.